Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. And yes, I was busy for a few days. I had few personal work. I was out of town, so therefore I couldn't do videos. So, anyways, I'm back. So let's start off. And it took so many days for me for trading, and finally I am back for trading. So I was trying something new, and it really worked out. So I made around 131% in 15 minutes. I would say 15 minutes or 10 minutes also. I'm not sure when I put my first trade. I just tried now. So the time is 9:37. Market started just at 9:15. I already made 131% in Asta. So I was trying a demo actually. I took a risk and I did because my capital is too less in Asta. As you know, 7,000 is my capital in Asta. I'll show you that also, and I'll show you how much profit I made. So first let me show you how much profit I made, and it really worked out for me. So let me go to the order book, and my first trade is at 9:26 and it got over at 9:33. So what's the time gap, guys? So okay, 4 minutes, okay, 7 minutes, around 7 minutes, not even 7 minutes. Okay, I would consider 7 minutes. Okay, so I did 3 trades in 7 minutes. That is idea. I took idea at 9, first one. If you see the first one, 9:26, I took it at 101.30. I didn't want a risk. I sold it at 102.45. Then I saw that still there is a good movement. I took it at 9:29 again at 104.60. The stock was jumping, and it went up to 105.15. You see the seconds, I have hit this trades within seconds. And next I have taken at 9:31 as 104.30. It came back a little again. I took the opportunity, and again it went till 105.05. It went more above, but I didn't care about it because I don't want the stock to go up and suddenly fall down. I just want that fraction of movements. I want the money. And you know, Asta is 40 times, guys. My capital into 40 times, 7,000 into 40 times. I'm getting exposure. Very risky. Okay, as I told you, if 2.5% goes down, your 100% goes off. If 2.5% goes up, you get 100% capital, right? So I will show you my net positions. Okay, I'll show you the fund views. Where do I see that? Reports, fund view. Okay, NSC, combined, submit. I had 7,100 and something. Okay, it is 7,123 rupees. Okay, this was there in my account. So I just put for how much ever stocks I get. So what I did is I multiplied 7,100 into 40 times, that is 2,84,000 capital, divided by, for example, 101. I got 208,2811 stocks, like that. So as and when my capital went up, I just after my first trade I increased. It came around 10,000. Then second trade it came at 12,000. Finally I'll show you what is the capital. So I did this. If I go to my reports and net position and give submit, this is my intraday overall. 3 times, I think 3 times, yes, yeah, 3 times I bought and 3 times I sold. So my buying average is 103.65 and selling average is 104.46. So it's a really good margin. And this number, check out the number of stocks because I have sold so many times. Buying of stocks is 11,372. 3 times I have bought the stocks, so therefore I got so much of stocks. See my net value, that's the profit, 9,241.25. so let me calculate. 9,241 divided by 7,100. Okay, so this is the profit what I have got. 130%, guys. I got 9,241 rupees out of my 7,000 capital. I had 7,000 capital in my account. I have made 9,241. I would say how much will the brokerage be? So brokerage will go around 150, 200, 200. Okay, I would consider 500 will go for brokerage. I'm getting around 8,700. Fine, I'll consider 8. Let it go 700. Let it go. I'll consider 8,500 is my profit. Okay, imagine 8,500. So this is how I made within 7 minutes 130%. Okay, this is the power of Asta. So guys, you should be very sure. how to do this. If not, so much money also will go within seconds. So how I did, because I do a lot of calculations, I do a little of smart work. That's the reason I found. I see the movement. As you guys know, Idea had a good news yesterday saying the merger, and the stock went suddenly up, and it went 25% up. Okay, so that was a good news, and people started investing. So that is a logic that people are investing in the stock and thinking that the stock will go up. So I read through the messages in, if I go to money control, and I see, and if I see the forum here, people are talking that stocks will go up, it'll go very soon up, 116 target, 120 target. So that means a lot of people are interested in buying that. So it's a bullish type of stock. So I'm using that opportunity. I'm not using it for a long term, right? I'm just using for the fraction of seconds to hit that small margins where it's going up. That's the reason I hit partial by partial. I don't want to be greedy. I'm 1 rupee also is almost like 1% of the stock. So I don't want to take the risk of losing that. So every second I started hitting the stock, and stock kept moving and it started hitting. So I'm done for the day. I can do more trades, but I don't want to take risks because this is too 130% is very much. What happens? Mind goes greedy, then there won't be any control. So therefore I'm stopping it here with 130% within 7 minutes, and I will show you how I got this stock when I went to home. I knew about Idea, and I just saw in market movers. So in market movers, I had Idea, ONGC, Bharati Finance, and CPSC. So I'm not familiar with the CPSC stocks. I don't trade in that. And the most ONGC, I thought it's a little more safer. Let me do ONGC. But Idea had a good news. I knew that. And if you see, it had got a good percent of 6.48%. When I saw it was around 5 or 4%. So it is still moving. So money control automatically picks these stocks which are moving at the moment, particular moment, not the highest particular moment. These are stock which are moving really good, so the volatility in the stock is really good. Therefore I took the opportunity of hitting it very fast. You need to be very fast, guys. You cannot take a risk saying that I put now, I'll see till the end of the day. No, the stock will go somewhere else. Either it'll go very much higher, it'll go very much lower, and your capital will be zero. Okay, so auto square off will happen. So I would suggest you should be very quick in doing this. If you're a beginner or if you're an expert also, I would suggest you do it in laptop. Look at the graph and hit the hit within seconds. And I did it in mobile because I do various studies and I do various, I see how the chart goes and how it happens, and based on that I did this. So it needs a lot of experience, not as easy as I tell you. It needs a lot of experience how to hit these type of percentages. So this is one of the example. So hope you guys liked it. I just wanted to share this video as a motivational video that it is possible to make more than 100%, 130%, 200%. It's very riskier. Only it is not a daily income. Only like certain days when there is a news you get it. Sometimes you may lose also. So that's the reason. To get a daily income, I told you how to make 3% in Zerodha, that is 0.3%, and same 0.3% in Asta will be 12% of your capital because it's 40 times. Hope you guys are getting. If not, go to my channel and watch all my videos. Thank you so much. If you like it, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yes, more videos to upcome. And I'm back, so I'll be doing videos back to back. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.